guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw different hair textures and different colors using the app ibisPaint X. I'll show you how to draw black, brown, and blonde hair. Now let's draw black hair. What you want to do is you want to get a shade of black, just dark black, and you want to draw a stripe of black onto your canvas. Just like that. Not too big, not too small, just right. Then you want to go to your color bar and you want to select a shade that's lighter than that one. So about that color, a dark gray. And you want to make another stripe under that black that you just drew. Just like that. Then you want to go to your color bar and select a shade even lighter than that. And this stripe has to be a little smaller than the other two that you drew. Now you go to your eyedropper and you want to select the shade that you drew previous from the one that you just drew. And you want to draw a stripe. Then you use eyedropper to select the shade that you first drew. So a dark stripe under that one that you just drew. You want to get an eraser and clean off the edges, make sure you have no excess color. And now you go to smudge. There are different formats of smudge on this app, but I would recommend you use a round brush fan. And then you just go, oh, sorry, I messed that up. You just want to go in an up and down motion, which will give you that hair-like texture. And now you want to bring out the edges of the hair, so, it looks full and nourished, I guess. You also want to do the other side. That is how you draw black hair. Now we will start on brown hair. You want to get a dark shade of brown, similar to that, and draw a stripe. Just like with the black hair, you want to select the shade that's lighter and draw another stripe. You go to your color bar and select a color that's even lighter than that and draw a thin stripe that's smaller than the other two. Then, if you want, you can put a little lighter stripe in the middle. Then you want to eyedrop the one that you just used before that, and you make another stripe. Then you eyedrop the first color that you used. So as you can see, it's similar to the process that we did with black hair. Then you get eraser, then you clean off the edges. Then you get smudge. Like I said, I would recommend you use a round brush fan. And then you just go in an up and down motion of the hair. Sorry. Up and down motion, which will give you a hair-like look. Like I said, you want to bring out the ends of the hair to make it look like strands of hair. And obviously do the other side. That's how you do brown hair. Now let's draw some blonde hair. First you want to select a dark shade of yellow, or like dark gold, I guess. After you select the shade, you want to make a stripe. Pretty medium-sized stripe. Then you go to your color bar and you want to select a shade that's even lighter, like we did with the two previous hair colors. Then you want to select a shade that's even lighter than that. Then make it thin, obviously. Eyedrop it and select the shade that you did previously. Then eyedrop it again and select the first color shade that you did. Use an eraser to, clean up the edge. Oh, well, yeah, make that bigger. Use an eraser to clean up the edges. Go to smudge. Like I said, use a round brush fan. And then just go up and down. Whoa, no, wait. Okay, good. And then you just want to go in an up and down motion. Like I said, at the bottom, you want to make sure that, the ends are good, straight. That's how you draw blonde hair. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comments below if there are any other drawing tutorials that you want me to make. Just tell me, and I'll do it.